the road I can go down to just get a copy of my certificate? I was naturalized in 80 or 81.
It's not a start all over. You're a citizen, so it's not like you start all over to become a citizen a second time. And you talk to USCIS, which is a division of Department of Homeland Security, and what they told you, most likely, or what they should have told you, is you have to fill out a form to replace your naturalization certificate. Replace, not become your driver's license. Same thing.
Okay.
And it's the form N565. You can go online to uscis.gov.
Okay.
It's the N565, the application for replacement of a naturalization document. And they, for the pleasure of them giving you a new one, they charge you $555.
Right. He said the fee was high.
Yeah.
And the time frame, it takes a long time.
Yeah, it's going to take months. Months and months and months and months and months.
But then I have to provide my birth certificate, everything originally that I had to provide to get my naturalization certificate.
No,
and unfortunately, that's with the certificate I can't find.
Wait, you have a driver's license?
I have a
Yeah, just use your non-driver's license identification.
But it's expired. It's about to expire. That's my prediction.
Well, submit it now before it expires. Okay, and you don't have a birth certificate? What happened to your birth certificate?
My birth certificate is with my naturalization certificate.
All right, where were you born?
Jamaica.
All right, do you know anyone in Jamaica these days?
No, unfortunately, most of my family is gone.
All right. I would submit it with the non-driver's license ID, get the thing going, and then apply to Jamaica for your birth certificate and bring it. They're going to schedule you for an interview to meet you and bring it to the interview. But file something now so you get the process going. File with what you got.
So it takes a long time.
Yes.
Okay.
All right.
And in the meantime, just keep looking.
Correct. And if you need help, hold on one second. We can help you with all this, even from Florida.
Absolutely.
All right, so hold on one second.
As a matter of fact, you can help. I got to show Emily something.
What?
Okay.
You know those guys?
I've actually been there with Brad.
What? What?
And I saw his face on the wall.
Ask him who got him on the wall.
Oh, at the Palm.
Yeah, who got you on the wall?
Me.
He got himself on the wall.
Correct. They just put me next to Squeeze because they know we were friends.
Right. You were good, man.
That's how it happened.
No, that's not how it happened.
That's exactly what happened.
That's not how it happened.
You didn't just say, hey, put my friend up, and they said, okay, Squeeze. No, that's not how it worked.
I was dating this hot girl there.
Okay.
And she said, what happened to your friend Brad? And I haven't seen him in a while. It's like, maybe if you put him up on a wall, maybe he'll come back. Put him up on a wall next to me. Next thing he's coming back there. By the way, Christina, she had a baby. It's not mine, though. She got married.
By the way, OJ. OJ's online, too.
Let's go to OJ.
Let's go see what OJ wants. OJ.
Our lives are like just completely just out there.
Is that your name, OJ?
The juice? Yeah.
You're the juice? That a different OJ, though, right?
OJ.
You're a different OJ.
He's been dealing with a lot.
Right, because if it's the real OJ, we're going to spend a long time answering all his questions.
Yeah.
No. It's my first time calling.
First time, okay. But this is not this is not OJ that we know in, right? Different OJ.
Yeah. I think it's a different one.
Different OJ.
Yeah, OJ's like, you know what? Guys, just answer my question.
Answer my question.
Yeah, what's the question?
I don't like these jokes,
yeah.
man.
What's the question, man?
Yeah, I'm calling regarding a question. I've been married for over and next month in July would make 1 year.
Right.
And my wife is filing for me, but I know it's a waiting process. Do you guys have any idea like the date for interview, like when you go and marry, like in July, and how far do they reach at the moment?
It's not when you got married. It's when you filed.
Well, I'll get my social already, my work permit.
When did that happen?
When
did that happen?
Maybe like 2 months ago.
All right, so and then another 1 to 3 months, you should get an interview.
Oh, okay.
Right.
That's it.
All right, yeah, by the end of the summer, I'm sure, early September at the latest.
Okay, thank you very much.
Cool. All right. And don't make no OJ jokes.
Nope.
Right?
No, don't.
He didn't find it funny.
No, if I were OJ and you were making OJ jokes, I wouldn't find it funny.
Yeah, don't make me go OJ
So,
on you, right?
yeah, I don't know what that's all about. But,
Yeah, OJ, he gets mad.
I don't know.
Bad things happen when he gets mad.
Who's
apparently.
OJ? Orange juice?
Yeah. Or what's his name? Orenthal James.
Yep.
Was that his name?
Yep.
It was Orenthal, yeah.
Orenthal James Simpson.
Yeah.
Oh, Daniel knows.
I don't know. I just got to tell you that you are a genius when it comes to remembering names.
I am a genius.
Robert Zemeckis.
Yes.
Orenthal, it's
Orenthal,
amazing.
Yes. I'm also really
He's
good.
a new guy working on his salary increase.
That's right.
Exactly. Daniel out.
He's only been here a week.
I'm also a genius with food preservatives.
That is random information.
You never saw that movie, Vacation? He's a genius with food preservatives.
No,
Chevy
never.
Chase? Come on.
Ladies and gentlemen, we
the
get back.
classic.
Let's get back to another call, okay? Because we're going off on a tangent. So let's get back to Tony.
Tony.
Let's get back to another call.
Tony.
Okay, because we're going off on a tangent. So
Tony.
let's get
It's
back
your
to-
turn, man.
Tony.
Don't stop
Listen
listening
to
to the
the
radio.
phone, not
Hi.
the radio.
Yes, Brad.
Yo, what's up?
Yes, listen, man.
What?
I want to ask you one question.
What?
Okay, if you're a citizen, right, and you want to change your first two names, can you?
Yeah. You have to get. Where do you live?
Eh? I live here. I'm in America.
Where in America? It's a big place.
Okay, in Queens.
Okay, so you live in New York. You
Yeah.
would need to change your name. You would need to make an application for a name change to the Supreme Court.
No, you could do it in the civil court.
You can do it in the civil
Yeah,
court?
yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
You've done it in civil court?
Yes.
You can make an application in the civil court. I was not aware of that.
Yes.
Thank you. Good.
And it's probably quicker and
Quicker.
cheaper.
It is quicker and cheaper, but I wasn't aware that you can do it there. But
Yes.
okay. She's extraordinaire. That's all I can tell you. So you can make an application in the civil court to change your name. You just have to give the judge a good reason why. You just can't, you
You
know.
do what?
Why do you want to change your name? What's the reason?
I don't like the name, man.
Okay,
Too
it's
much
good enough
people got the
reason.
same name.
Yeah, as long as you're like not trying to like get out of debt or avoid law enforcement and things like that, you know.
It's a common name. Everybody have the same name,
Tony.
man. So I
Nobody,
don't
yeah. Tony.
don't like it.
Yeah, because everyone goes, "Hey, Tony, what's up? What do you want to change it to?
Huh?
What are you going to change it to?
I change it to a normal name, you know,
What's a
regular
normal
that
name? Just out of
nobody-
curiosity, just you know.
Bond. James Bond.
That'd be great. Can you change it to David Annakie?
No, you don't want that. Trust me, you don't want that.
A-N-N-A-I-E.
Yo, you don't want that name.
We can
Believe
help,
me.
Tony, we can help you. Hold on one second. Hold on. Actually,
Okay.
Emily Extraordinaire will help you. Everyone gets a name, by the way, Emily. It's kind of sticking now, right?
Gosh. I mean, it's not a bad name. I'll
It's not a
take it.
bad name. We've given people insulting names, so
Well, it took me. I didn't even know what the heck SMG stood for. I was
right.
like, what? Who did
You're a
these?
social media guy.
Right. I mean,
Our
now.
gal. Our
Or
gal.
gal, right? Whoever is in that seat is the SMG.
Very hot seat.
Yes.
Literally.
Yes.
A very hot
Yes.
seat.
People don't last too long there.
No, they don't.
Right, yeah, job,
Someone
the
should have
job,
told you
job,
that, man.
job prospects in that seat are very low. You know, it's like being shot to the moon, you know, in NASA, you know, like only 1 out of 3 astronauts survive or something, you know.
What?
Kyle looks nervous.
NASA has to be doing better than that.
Maybe, but in the beginning that was it. It was like 1 out of 3, 1 out of 4, you
That's
know.
insane.
Yeah. But now I think they live now, most of the astronauts.
Because
Right.
who would sign up for that job
Right? Yeah. It's actually pretty safe
now?
now. I would think it's pretty safe now, right?
It
What was
has
the
to
last?
be.
They haven't had anything explode in like 15, 20 years.
No.
What? That's what they want you to think. Ah, Snowden moment, right?
What is You guys are nuts. 1-800-529-5465. You don't want to see what I was doing over here.
What were
man.
you doing?
Looking at women's shoes.
Can you ask people to share? We didn't ask anyone to share yet.
All right, so let me repeat what Brad just said.
Yeah.
People share, okay? If you are on any social media platform right now and you're tuning in to us, please share the link with every single person you know in your life. How's that?
Great. And if you don't know anybody, take out one of your
You know us?
fingers and just press the heart button or the happy button or the laugh button or the thumbs up button. Let us know you're there on Facebook.
That's it.
On YouTube, it's Law Offices of Spar and Bernstein. On Facebook, David Squeeze, Annakie, Brad Bernstein, Law Offices of Spar and Bernstein. 3 different places on Facebook. YouTube, only one place. Don't know why. On Periscope, only one place. Spar Bernstein. YouTube, Law Offices of Spar and Bernstein. Instagram, soon to come. But we don't broadcast live on Instagram, but we do have Instagram pages. David Squeeze Annakie. Well over close to 200,000 followers on Instagram.
It's about 100 No,
What?
I think I'm on about 124,000.
125. That pretty impressive.
And 145 on Facebook for 145,000.
Pretty impressive. You obviously.
I'm an old guy.
You
Show my
obviously.
age right now. That's what it is.
You obviously lead a very impressive life. To have
I like
a quarter of a
to.
million
I like
people
to have
follow you.
fun.
Very, very
Do
impressive.
some crazy,
life.
stupid things at time, and people like that for some
Yes,
reason.
they love crazy stupid.
Yes, they do.
Right. You know what they love better than crazy stupid?
What?
Stupid crazy.
I've seen some people.
if you do stupid crazy, you can,
Then I'll get my own reality TV
get your own
series.
reality series,
like
right.
like a few stupid, crazy people I personally know who have this.
Who do you personally know?
I can't tell you because then they're going to say I call them stupid crazy.
Right. Well, they are.
But anyway, let's get back to the show.
Are their names all K? The Kardashians.
Oh, Kardashians.
Oh, those are friends of mine.
Yes. They sat next to you at dinner the other night. Did you know that?
No.
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
Which ones?
And one was in Jamaica the other day.
Kendall.
Yeah, Kendall.
Oh,
And
Kendall.
Kylie was at his club about 3 months ago.
Chloe.
Oh.
Chloe.
Oh, Chloe.
Chloe was at the club 3 months ago.
I'm still trying to figure out why they're so famous.
Crazy stupid. Stupid crazy, I guess. I don't know. And they're attractive, so,
Yeah.
and they have money, so they could live a good life. So, I mean, when you put it all together, they're crazy, they're stupid, they have money, and they're attractive. That's all you basically need. All right. I mean, the father's a woman now, I mean, it goes on and on and on. I mean, talk about crazy stupid. You become a woman, you'll get twice as many people following you, Squeeze, I can guarantee you.
Okay. Michelle Obama is talking
Michelle.
to you. Michelle is saying, take the high road.
Take the high road. But don't you think it's
Because I don't know how this conversation got into a suggestion from you for me to become a woman.
I was just thinking of the father.
I don't know how it
who
got
said
into that on an immigration show. I
Because you
just
said,
don't know.
how do people follow? Because I mean, they're crazy stupid. The father even becomes a woman.
And you made a suggestion to me to go become a woman so I can get more followers.
If you want more followers, it's a good way to start.
I could tell you something right now about the FCC. Would eradicate me permanently.
Brad, I want you to go buck yourself right now. Right?
I wouldn't tell you to go buck yourself. I wouldn't say that. By the way, folks, he said muck and buck.
Muck and buck.
Don't get it twisted.
That's right.
All right.
Muck.
Anyway,
By the way, on the little clip,
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if you noticed the little clip that I posted this morning before the show. Like a 1 minute clip.
Mm-hmm.
I titled it, "You don't want to pay your taxes. Too mucking bad."
what kind of attorney are you?
Too mucking
You're just
bad.
too real.
Too mucking bad. You got to pay your taxes.
You're too real.
Daddy.
Danny, what's up?
Yeah, good afternoon, Brad. How you doing?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Danielle.
Yeah, Brad. I want to file for my wife, but I'm getting food stamps. So how long do I have to come off it before I file?
You don't have to come off.
Huh?
Not to file, but for her to get a green card, because he's gonna have issues with the affidavit of support that he's below the poverty level and he's collecting food stamps, so he can't support himself, let alone somebody else.
I mean, you could get a co-sponsor.
Yeah, but
you can make the argument.
Yeah, listen. There's a lot of arguments to be made. My opinion,
Right.
and I'm gonna disagree with Emily on this. Get off food stamps. The quicker, the better. Because they take everything into the totality of circumstances into their opinion on whether to get a green card or not. And if you want to be assured of your wife getting here, do not be on food stamps. Period.
So I should get off. I'm 3 months after I get off, or
Where's your wife? Where's she?
She's in New York.
Yeah, after you file the papers, I would get off sometime between the time you file and the time she gets a work permit, which would be within 90 days.
All right.
And then by the time you get your interview, it's 3-4 months off that you've been off food stamps. And Emily wanted to say something.
So I could file the paper, and then when I get the authorization, I come off.
Yes, Emily wanted to say something.
But you should have your co-sponsor, whoever's going to do
You
your
need-
affidavit
you
support
need it-
already there, because
correct.
they won't give her the work permit if you don't have the affidavit of support in place.
Correct.
They'll RFE you
because you're
for
getting
it.
food stamps because, thank you.
Right.
You're getting food stamps because you're below the poverty level. So whatever your income is, is not enough to get over the hump to get the employment document. So you're going to need a co-sponsor to file, but then sometime months before your interview, you should be off the food stamps.
All right, thank you, bro. Have
All
a
right,
blessed
you got
day.
it?
Yeah,
Okay,
man,
Dan.
thanks.
All right. 1-800-529-5465. Very quiet these days, Squeeze. Why are you so quiet?
I don't know, maybe because I'm doodling over here and doing other things.
What are you doodling?
You don't want to know.
What is he doing?
Page 21.
Emily.
I don't know. I saw some ladies' shoes at one point.
She will
I
see
don't
that.
know what
Why
that
you-
was.
I did mention, I admitted that earlier.
Wait a second. Wait a second. I suggest to him that he should become Bruce Jenner. Next thing you know,
I think
he's looking at ladies' shoes.
I think they were a gift, maybe for a lady friend. I don't know.
I don't know either. It just seems very odd that I would suggest to get more followers to become a woman, and next thing I know, the man's looking at ladies' shoes.
But this is an equal opportunity radio show.
So let him have his say. He's getting really angry at me.
Are you done?
No, let him have his say. Let him have his say on why were you looking at ladies' shoes? You were buying them as a gift for somebody? You know somebody's size and what they would be comfortable in?
I have a date that I'm taking to a black tie affair tomorrow night. And she said, why don't you dress me for a change?
Okay. So she's like confirming her wardrobe choices with you.
Yes, that's what she was doing.
I do that with my husband. You want to know if you look nice for something, if it's appropriate.
Now, was this just a photograph of a shoe, or was he
Yes.
on a website buying it?
No, it was like somebody sent him a picture of the
Okay,
shoe.
then that's more understandable. That you were buying shoes. I thought you were buying women's shoes.
I am. I'm the one buying them.
She's just
In the
picking them
store.
out. Yeah.
Ah-ha.
Yeah.
It's a baller move, Squeeze.
Is there anything else you would
It's a
like to know?
baller move.
That's
Yeah.
a baller move.
So he's a
Yeah.
baller.
Yeah. They look like nice shoes.
Is there anything else you would like to know, Mr. Bernstein?
Were they black or gold?
They were black.
Black.
There you go. See, Emily knows everything. You know?
High heels?
Yes.
Yep.
Chunky heels or thin?
No, thin. Still
Thin.
is.
Toes were exposed?
Oh, God.
One of them, and the other one.
And which one did you pick?
The one that's you can see the toes, but you can't see the toes.
Got it. All right. Is that TMI, Emily?
Yes.
That was Emily's shaking now. She doesn't want to do the show with us anymore.
Oh my
I
God!
wanted to know what's going on there. The cameras are falling. Yeah. Dan didn't
This is
like
what
the
happens
conversation.
when you work in
Yeah.
my mom's basement.
Richard,
Hi, good afternoon, Mr. Bernstein.
how are you?
Hey, Rich, how you doing, man? Long time no talk.
I'm all right.
That's good, man. It's good to hear from you again.
Nice. I have a quick question. I had my interview back in March of last year, and during the interview, they told me that they can't come to a decision, so they'll write to me in a couple of months. A couple of months after, they said they need additional information. I sent in everything. That was October of last year, but I haven't heard back from them. So I'm wondering if I should be worried right about now.
Yes, you should be worried. You wrote them additional information in October. It is
October of last year.
It is
They had I had completed a file because they had asked for a lot of stuff. Things like dated back for the last 3 years and stuff like that. But I sent everything in, and in the letter they sent, they say they will make a decision according to what I sent in.
I would say that if you sent in everything that needed to be done in the first place, you would have had your green card. I would also say that if you sent in everything after the fact, you probably didn't send in exactly what they were looking for, or you would have your green card. So, 8-9 months later, they didn't make a decision. That would be concerning to me. What I would suggest that you do is come in, let us see what's going on, let us see what you submitted, and we'll take it from there. So hold on one second. But yes, you should be concerned. Hold on.
Once again, folks, you're in tune to obviously the Brad and Squeeze show. And no, contrary to belief, I am not turning into what Brad wants me to turn into.
No, I did not
All
want
right.
you. I just was, by the way, Smiley Smith.
Not that there's anything wrong with it. That's
Nothing
a free
wrong with
country.
it. I got a little concerned there for a second, but everything's good.
Please don't be. All right?
Smiley Smith says, "Good afternoon, guys. Hey, Emily, you are my super lawyer."
We always get someone.
You know who that is?
Smiley Smith.
Smiley
No.
Smith. I guess maybe one of your clients, perhaps.
Perhaps.
But I don't think you know her as Smiley.
I don't have any clients that I know
No,
personally
but
as Smiley. Yes.
Maybe you know someone with the last
Client's
name
getting
Smith.
upset right now. She disowned me.
Maybe you know someone with Smith who happens to smile a lot, maybe? I don't
Possibly.
know. Possibly. All right, 1-800-529-5465, 1-800-529-5465. Cordella Woolery.
Mm-hmm.
If we don't get to page 21 within the first 10 minutes of every show, she starts going crazy. Page 21.
Nice.
Page 21. Page
Nice.
21. Nice.
Nice.
All right, it's not even 12:30 yet, and she's like, page 21, page
Nice.
21. We'll get to it. We'll get to it, Cordella.
Nice.
All right, need a little anticipation there. All right, let's go to George.
Costanza. George.
Hello, how are you?
How are you, George?
This is not George.
Good. I got a question.
Sure.
If someone comes into the U.S. without inspection and is married to a U.S. citizen, is it possible for that person to get a green card?
Of course.
Yes.
How do you do that?
They could be 245I. They can get provisional waivers. They could be married to someone in the military, a former military, and get parole in place. They could be a DACA member and then be able to travel on advance parole. They could have TPS travel on advance parole, have some sort of other form of advance parole, or possibly other scenarios too that don't come to the top of my mind at this very moment.
Okay.
But I gave you about 8 different scenarios.
Okay.
So hold on 1 second, we can help. You're married to a citizen. I think we're going to be able to help, generally.
Yes, usually.
Generally, that's the answer.
Okay. Once again, folks, this is the Brad and Squeeze Show. Give us a call, 1-800-529-5465. We've got Emily and Brad, respectively, attorneys, managing.
By the way, Andrew, Moody, and Cordella think page 21 should be done at 12:21.
Makes sense.
That makes sense.
That's the reason why we have smart listeners and viewers.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
That's brilliant.
I
It's
agree.
12:21. Time for page 21.
I like
the way that they're thinking.
I love the way they're thinking.
Let's program that in, SMG Junior.
And just for that,
program that in.
Brad will fly you anywhere you want to fly to in the entire United States of Donald Trump.
As soon as Squeeze gives me his credit card. Yes.
No problem.
1-800-529.
Got a $300 limit, by the way.
Rena.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Rena.
Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'm calling in regards to my cousin. He is in Barbados, and he was born here in the U.S. He just turned 29 on May 25th, I believe, something like that. And his grandmother, who was his legal guardian here in the U.S., has all of his documents. His birth certificate. I don't know if he ever had a passport. He's not sure, because she brought him back to Barbados, although he wasn't born there, when he was 7, and he's been there ever since.
So he was born in the United States of America?
Yes.
And he has no evidence
but
of
he
this?
He has no documents, no nothing.
He was born in a hospital, right?
Yes.
All right, so that's where we start. We get the hospital records, and then we go from there.
Who would be able to get those records?
Emily Extraordinaire can get those records.
Do you know what state he was born in? Do you know what state he was born in?
He doesn't know.
He doesn't know what state?
Yes, New York.
You know
Yes, in the Bronx.
But he doesn't know what hospital or anything.
He does know what hospital, yes.
Okay, so we'll get the hospital records, or we could go to Vital Statistics and ask for a birth certificate, and start from there.
You can do it online also.
Okay, yeah, because we tried to do it online, but obviously because he doesn't have a debit or credit card, because he
All right, so
is in Barbados.
Tell him to call us from Barbados. We'll have a phone consultation. We'll help. Hold on. All right?
Okay.
I've got a weird question.
Weird.
Maybe you and Emily could answer.
Yes.
What if someone, hypothetically, say they're 19 years old, for some reason got stopped by the cop? They didn't really commit a crime. Cop says, can I have a piece of ID? Says, I don't have one. Where are you from? I don't want to tell you. and try to get information on the person, and the person refused to give information as to where they're from. What happens after that?
You get arrested.
And what's the grounds for being arrested?
I don't know. Cop comes disorderly conduct. You could always get arrested for disorderly conduct.
And then
I don't know. I'm not a cop.
And then I'm asking, then how long will they keep them in jail for just not answering anything?
Overnight.
It depends on what they are
Depends on what they're charged
for.
with.
Okay, so then they let them out, right?
Okay.
And what if this person is? I'm saying this person is not a resident of the United States, have a thick accent. You know, what are they going to do? What are they going to send them?
Well, you could only. They have to be able to identify who you are.
But what if they can't?
Then they don't deport you ever.
Okay. Just find out.
Right. Now you can be put in removal and sit in jail and immigration detention for 6 months.
Okay.
And then you can ask for a custody review to get out of detention. But if you're causing the delay in your own deportation by not, it's possible the judge won't release you.
But at least I'm still here in the United States.
In jail, in immigration
They
detention.
can't keep you in jail forever.
If you're preventing your removal, they can.
Forever?
Not
You're getting
forever.
life sentence?
What do you think, Emily?
Come on, it's impossible.
No, not a life sentence, but certainly more than 6 months.
It's a big deal. They go there for 6 months to stay a year. What?
What do you think, Emily?
Well, I think you just said that they released him, though? Is
Well,
that
that's
what
what Brad's saying. They released him.
No, they would release him from criminal because there
Right.
was a Trump
There was no
charge. Right, but then they say, okay, we're going to call immigration. Immigration's going to hold him.
Yeah.
Okay, there's no evidence you're a U.S. citizen. You have to present evidence you're a U.S. citizen to immigration. If not, then
And if you refuse?
And if you refuse, then you're presumed to be a foreign alien, and they sit you in jail, and you sit in jail until you cooperate.
Till
with
you
them.
rot?
It's possible, but
that's
after,
impossible.
After 6 months,
Can't do that.
For 6 months, you will rot.
But it's also your burden to prove your
Right.
status in the United States, right?
No, it's their, but yeah, it's your.
They still-
It's
your burden
it's,
to. Pro-
it's the
it's your
client's.
burden. It's your burden to prove you're a U.S. citizen.
Right.
It's the government's burden to prove you're a deportable alien.
Right,
Right.
and where they're going to send you.
And
They
where
might
they're
not
gonna
be able
send
to
you.
prove that.
can't
Exactly.
prove
So
anything.
that's what I'm
And
saying. So then what happens?
Eventually, you get.
Sometimes they'll parole you out.
Eventually, you will get released, but
Right.
they don't have to,
Right.
because you would have to go make a request for a custody redetermination, and let's say they say no because you're not cooperating, they turn you down, then you file a habeas corpus with the judge saying I'm being unlawfully held, and then immigration's going to say you're not being unlawfully held, you're causing your own detention by not cooperating with
Right.
us,
So then
and then it depends on what the judge comes up with.
and I'm 19 and I'm going to stay in jail forever.
No, I'm just telling you how it would play out.
But if you're also 19 and here with any status, technically
DACA.
we could
Maybe
or
DACA.
SIJ.
Or SIJ.
Like you're not helping yourself. You should
Right.
get in contact with someone who can get you a lawyer and they can help you. Yeah.
You know what SIJ is? Special juvenile.
Yeah.
Special immigrant juvenile.
I'm just playing,
Very good point with
or an
the SIJ.
affirmative asylum application based on, I don't know, whatever circumstances happen in your country.
learning a lot here.
Yes.
Learning a lot.
So
Very good.
Yeah.
Both good answers.
So, you know.
So obvious, Squeeze.
That's why I
So
come up with
obvious.
questions like those,
Right.
All right, 1-800-529-5465, 1-800-LAW-LINK. It's the Brad and Squeeze Show. All right, let's go.
Ingrid.
Ingrid.
Oh, hi. Good afternoon,
Good
gentlemen and ladies that are there.
Good afternoon.
Ladies?
Well, lady.
Don't worry, I do it to them all the time. I walk in the room and say, hello, ladies, how you doing? And everybody responds.
Right.
You're a trip. All right. I have just one quick question. I have a Jamaican passport, which is the only ID that I have, right? And it actually expires the end of August of this year. So my question is, would me going to go get it renewed affect the fact that I'm out of status?
No.
No?
No.
Well, and another question. Okay, like I said, it's the only ID that I have. What if I had to present an ID for something and I didn't have it? Like, what would I do after?
You have no ID. You can't present it. It depends. What's the purpose of showing an ID? For what purpose?
Well, I'm just saying, like if I'm supposed to go somewhere and I needed to show an ID to go, go somewhere.
You show your valid passport. That's your ID.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Just because you have a valid passport from another country doesn't make the logical leap that you're an illegal alien. Not every person who shows a foreign passport is here out of status. So you can't just assume that's the case.
Nightclub you and I were at just about 6 to 70% of those people.
Crazy.
Right smack in the middle of Manhattan.
Yeah, right smack in the middle of Manhattan. Squeeze and I go to this nightclub like 2 months ago.
Mm-hmm.
Right in smack in the middle of Manhattan. And I would have to say that 60 to 70% of the people I spoke to at that nightclub, and we spoke to a lot of people, we must have spoken to 30, 40, 50 people, were out of status and needed immigration help. That's what I said.
Majority were.
I said, I don't have to do a radio show. I just have to go out to a nightclub, have a few drinks.
Yeah, it's true. It's really true. The majority were Europeans, too.
Yes, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. All right, 1-800-529-5465, 1-800-529-5.
Can we get some
What?
social media questions in?
Yeah, but before that, it is 12:40, so that means it's time for page 21, because that's the logical leap.
Oh, so you didn't do it at 21?
No, we didn't do it at 21. Do you know what page 21 is? Do you remember, Emily?
Page 21.
I don't think we talked about a page 21 before,
we
so I'm
didn't.
not sure what it is.
It's the contract that we all signed.
Okay.
Do you remember signing a contract? No, that was me who signed the contract on behalf of
On the
everybody.
company's behalf.
On behalf of the
Right.
company. There's a contract that says that we have to talk 5 minutes about a company that sponsors a show called USA Credit Repair.
It's a beautiful thing.
I definitely believe in credit repair.
Yes.
I used to do consumer law.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, you know beautiful credit is a beautiful thing?
It is.
And do you know what the key to beautiful credit is? USA Credit Repair. USA Credit Repair is the key to beautiful credit. Glad you didn't answer. USA Credit Repair is the key to beautiful credit, and you know how you can access them? You can go to wefixbadcredit.com. So just in case you're not exactly sure what they do, wefixbadcredit.com sums it up. And the telephone number for USA Credit Repair, it's 1-800-872-7177, 1-800-872-7177. It's a free call. They'll even check your credit score. What's a good credit score that you don't need credit repaired for? What number?
You asking me?
No, I'm asking Emily.
I would say over 600.
I would say over 700.
No, 600 is bad.
600's bad.
It's not that terrible. You can still get a credit card. You can still apply for things.
You can get a credit card paid like usually
over
rates.
700 though is, I mean, real.
Usually-
That's good.
You want to be over
rates.
700. You want to be over 700.
Definitely.
You want to be over 700. Anything under 700,
Your interest rates are going to be through the roof.
you're trying to breathe some air here. You know, so anybody who's under 700, call 1-800-872-7177. And by the way, if you don't even know where you are, call 1-800-872-7177. They're going to check your credit for free.
Yeah.
And so it's an absolute free call to check your credit. USA Credit Repair, the key to beautiful credit. Call 1-800-872-7177, 1-800-872-7177, or go to wefixbadcredit.com. And thank you, USA Credit Repair, for sponsoring our show.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I checked someone's credit recently. Dude that works one block away in Nassau, and his credit score was 678.
And you got it up.
And that's very bad credit score.
Mhm.
Okay, and he checked it on Credit Karma, and it showed a lot higher, but Credit Karma always wrong. So be careful if you're using Credit Karma.
Well, because they don't pull all the credit reports. It's based on
They
three
pull
different.
two, but even the score that they're showing is usually like 30, 40 points higher, which is wrong. So when you go to a car dealership or wherever, you realize the score is really a lot lower. So be careful how you use Credit Karma.
The only thing I can tell you is that you can get a true credit score at wefixbadcredit.com
Yep,
or by
USA
calling
Credit-
USA Credit Repair, the key to beautiful credit. 1-800-872-7177. Remember, that's the key.
That is the key. I got it.
The key.
Yes.
Like if you don't know where the key to beautiful credit is, it's
USA Credit Repair.
Great.
1-800-USA-7177.
All right.
All right.
Social media check-in.
This is the second time in the history of the entire show that he has been so thorough. And it's because someone is sitting in this chair. I'm realizing that. So we need to make sure someone's always sitting in that chair.
Yeah.
Other than that, page 21, USA Credit Repair. Next.
You guys ready for the lightning round?
Oh, lightning. I thought it was rapid.
I thought it was rapid fire.
What's more rapid than lightning?
But at 9 o'clock it was.
Bolt.
But at 9 o'clock it was.
Usain.
At 9 o'clock it was the speed round. It kind of changes all the time. You're familiar with this round.
I didn't actually do this round the last time.
Okay.
We did not have
All right.
this.
So the
This
way it works
new.
is this.
Okay.
He's going to read the question as quickly as Kyle humanly can do it.
Okay.
He's not that fast reading, but he'll do it as fast as he can.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Then whoever knows the answer
Okay.
says it. And then we say it succinctly, one sentence or less, Move on. Okay. Unless it requires 2 sentences,
Brad's
but we're not
competing
doing a
with you.
paragraph.
Okay.
All right. I want you to know, there's no pressure, but I beat Rebecca this morning.
Okay.
Told you he's going to try to
All
show
right,
you up.
Let's see.
Ready?
Yes.
Please, please explain the I-824.
The I-824.
It's taking us
The follow to join
That's
application.
that's the follow to join, or it's to send an approval to a prior approval somewhere else.
Okay, Gerald says, my mother is a green card holder and she files the I-130 for her should she file the I-130 for her children now, or does she need to wait for them to become U.S. citizens to file the I-130?
Now, 1-to-1, go.
This is the tiebreaker. My friend is a U.S. citizen. If he marries his Jamaican girlfriend, how long should it take for her to get here?
Oh, I said it before the end. I lose.
I think they should be disqualified for that
I
question.
do.
I think we should get another question.
You're right, because you have to
Wait until he's
till
completely
done. In jeopardy, I would have lost.
Yes.
Okay. Another question, please.
No more questions.
Ask the question again.
A friend recently.
Ask the question again. All right, Squeeze has one, but we can't say the answer until. Okay. All right, you ready?
A friend recently filed to remove condition on a 2-year green card without the help of his wife. How long do you think it will take if he was to get the condition removed?
Over
18 months. All right, tie.
That was pretty neat. All right, here's another. My husband is a green card holder for 3 years and a couple months. He is doing an adjustment of status for me. I would like to know how long will the process take and what else do I need to know?
You can't do an
You
adjustment.
can't do an
of
adjustment. I was
status
going to say forever.
No,
All right, he's
good,
filing an
guys.
I-130 and then has to wait on a waiting list, and then hopefully you're in status and then can adjust. But
Okay.
okay,
Here's
He
another one.
becomes a citizen.
correct.
Can you be a U.S. citizen and still use your Jamaican passport?
Yes, when you go to Jamaica. When you enter America, you enter as an American.
You can use it. You can use.
What?
I would say, you shouldn't leave. If you have a U.S. passport, you should leave on your U.S. passport.
You leave on your U.S.
And
passport.
you
You enter
enter-
Jamaica as a Jamaican citizen, so you're not entering Jamaica as a visitor. You're entering as a citizen. When you re-enter the United States,
With your U.S. passport.
right, you
Yeah.
re-enter as a U.S. citizen.
Mhm.
So you enter the country that you are a citizen with that particular passport.
And you can use your Jamaican passport in other countries if that country is not
Friendly.
friendly.
To the United States.
Like maybe a country nearby starts with C, which has become very friendly, Cuba.
Cuba, right. Or let's say you want to take a vacation with you and your family to Tehran, and, I would think I would want to enter as a Jamaican over an American,
Right.
right?
I'm going to Russia in September.
You enter as a American.
Right. I know.
You going to Russia in September?
Yeah.
I was there.
I know
I'll
you
tell
were.
you some places to go. I'm not welcome back.
Bathhouses? Is that what you're going to send
I'm
me?
not, no, I didn't go to any bathhouses. But I'm not welcome back there now.
You're not going back. Oh, you're not welcome.
I'm not I was unwelcomed.
Oh.
Unwelcomed. But so such is life. Putin told me, do not come back here. Do not come back. He said that to me.
Yeah, I saw an image of Putin the other day, man.
Shirt on or off?
Shirt off with gas.
Was he on a horse?
Yes. How'd you know?
That's the image. That's the image with him on the horse. And then they superimposed Donald Trump on the horse behind him. You ever saw that one?
No, I didn't see that one.
Great. It's great. Do not superimpose our pictures on Putin's horse. I can already see his mind working,
That would be a glorious picture.
Yeah,
though.
I saw one with Putin walking Trump on a leash. That's terrible.
I never saw. That's terrible.
I saw that one like a little puppy.
That's terrible.
Oh, man.
Any other questions?
Right now, we have answered everybody's questions, taken care of
That's
everybody's
impossible. You
needs.
sure?
We have a lot
Are
of
you in law offices? That's impossible.
Allow me to refresh the page.
Yes, please. That's
Yeah, because I
bet money.
Yeah.
I bet you money right
Paula Morris, is it possible to get your I-45 interview
know,
before
it's
your work
impossible.
permit is approved? I guess it's possible if you screwed up your work permit, but that's not the way it's supposed to go.
No, I don't think so.
All right.
Can you get married on your visiting visa? And if so, how long will it take?
Wait 90 days, Aaron.
What papers will you get first?
Your work permit and then your green card if you do everything right.
Hey, Shala wants to know what's the telephone number?
1-800-529-5465. Or just type it in. 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-LAWLINK. Let's get back to the radio calls, and then we'll come back again to 1-800-529-5465. Social media, make sure you ask your questions.
By the way, we're on WVIP 93.5
Yeah.
FM.
Yeah.
Are you aware of that? That this is a radio show?
Yes.
Okay, good. Sometimes we forget them. We're just dealing with social
No,
media.
I don't forget.
You don't forget.
No, I pay the bill every month.
You pay the bill every month. You don't.
And some of it comes from
right.
an entity that advertises with us.
Yes, USA
you know?
Credit Repair pays that bill every month.
You know?
All right, Terry.
Good morning.
Good morning, Terry.
I am a U.S. citizen married to a Jamaican. He is living here. I sent off his paperwork December 2016. I did not send off I-765 and I-31 because I was under the I-131, sorry, because I was under the assumption that with the I-84 he would have gotten his work permit and social. He did his fingerprints in January, but we have not received any other information. They're telling us they're waiting to schedule an interview. Is it possible for it to take this long for an interview or to receive anything else?
Yeah, it's possible if you didn't do it right. It's also, between me and you, I don't want to say foolish, but in this particular instance, foolish. I'll use that word. I don't know any other way to do it because the work permit and the I-131 is free. You just fill out the form, you get it.
Right.
You don't have to pay anything additional for it.
No. And if you don't fill it out, they will never give it to you.
They'll never give it to
You're
you.
just going to keep waiting for an interview.
Yes. That I didn't know until after. But online, it's saying that the I-1 for the I-765 is 410.
Yes, that's for a renewal.
But you're filing it with the adjustment application.
It's
so
for renewal.
You don't have to pay the $410.
Yeah. So, it's one of those situations where, sometimes you're penny wise and dollar foolish in the sense that if you at least go to a lawyer and have a consultation to make sure what you're doing is correct. Immigration is more than filling out a form. And, it's, besides tax law, considered the most complicated laws in the United States of America. So, I don't know. You should have had a green card. You should have had a work permit. You should have had his travel. I'm not sure what you did unless I look
What do
at
you
it.
suggest?
Let her make an appointment to see me.
Okay.
All right, hold on.
All right. So once again, folks, it's the Brad and Squeeze Show. It's 8 minutes before the hour of 1. The name is David Squeeze Annakie, and on the other side we've got Brad. Next to me we have Emily, extraordinaire. All right. The husband's gonna be like, no, that's not your last name. No.
That's her. That's it, on this show. She's Emily Extraordinaire.
Anyway, 1-800-529-5465. Let's get back to the radio calls.
All right. Leanne. Leah.
Hello?
Yes.
Leon.
Leon.
What's up, Leon?
Nobody knows how to spell
Yes,
in this
yes.
office. They spelled it Lean. That's not Leon. Leon, how are you?
Doesn't sound good.
Yeah,
All right.
How are you doing, Squeeze?
Everything is good, my brother.
You know what I want a number from you, Squeeze, to talk to you personal.
914-288-LINK.
All right, 914-288-LINK.
Yeah.
All right, sir. Mr. Brad.
Yes.
I know you don't do this case, but I've been trying from last year. No lawyer want to help me.
What's the case?
I went to the unemployment court and I won $10,000 from the employer. And he don't want to pay up, so he threatened me and tell me I'm not getting a cent. And what he do, he go file a bankruptcy. And still yet, he running another business. And Department of Labor said they couldn't get the money from him because he filed Chapter 7.
Yeah, but even you're a creditor, and you should go to the bankruptcy court, and they would give you part of whatever money he has in the bankruptcy court in a reorganization or in a complete liquidation. So you should get something from that. You need what you need.
Labor Board sent me a letter
I will tell you what
to
type
go
of
there.
lawyer. You need a bankruptcy lawyer. Go find.
I go see one and they told me they can't do this case. They don't,
Or you have to
nobody want
file
to
to
handle it for me.
You have to file to also enforce the judgment too. You can. Where was the
Yeah,
case?
but in you can't. Everything is stayed in a bankruptcy, but you go to bankruptcy court and you go online as a creditor.
Right, but I mean, you'll get
Right.
pennies on the dollar. It
has to be
But that's what it is. Yeah.
But it has to be filed in it, though.
Yeah. All right. Make an appointment to come see us. I don't know what we'll do for you, but we'll be happy to talk with you and take it from there. Hold on one second, okay?
All right, let's go to another radio call. Let's go to the one that's been holding the longest.
That would be David.
That's
David.
me. Yes?
Yes. How are you, Mr.
How are you?
Bernstein?
How are you?
I'm doing good. I just sponsored my wife from Jamaica a year ago. But what happened? Her parents is living there. Can I sponsor her parents as well?
No.
Oh, okay.
Your,
And how
your-
long?
Your wife has to be a citizen, and then she can file for the parents.
And how long after she has her green card before she could file for her citizenship?
3 years. 2 years, 9
Okay.
months. 2 years, 9 months.
2 years and
Not 2 years, 9 months, 3 days to be exact.
okay.
That's my final
All right.
answer. 2 years, 9 months, and 3 days. I don't know why Squeeze was knocking. I was kind of mocking him. I'm not sure why I was knocking. But it's 2 years, 9 months, 3 days. She can file her citizenship, then she can file for her parents.
Thank you so much,
You're
Mr.
very welcome.
Bernstein.
Okay.
Big up, please.
Manas, I just wanted you to go faster.
Ah.
Just like how you do the rapid round?
Call.
No. Well,
Call.
should have went to Tashana, but go.
Call.
Yes.
Quickly.
Hi.
Hi.
I have a cousin who's here a long time, and he has an expired passport. And in order for him to get the new renew it, he needs the new birth certificate that I have in Jamaica. And he's not able to get it because the birth certificate that he currently has a different name and different last name and different date of birth.
All right, so he needs to. All right, so then he has identity issues. So
Right.
he needs to come in and see us, and let's sort it out. Okay, hold on 1 second.
Is that something that could be fixed?
You could well prove who he is. We got to prove who he is. So let's figure it out. Okay, hold on 1 second. You know, there's always people with identity issues all the time and have birth certificates wrong and all sorts of stuff. Let's go to
All the
Tanasha.
time.
Tashana. Hello.
Tashana.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes. Good morning. I have a quick question. My daughter, her dad, he filed for her. He lives in Virginia. I live in New York, and I am a U.S. resident as well. Does she have to come through like a port in Virginia, or is it okay for her to come to New York?
She can come to New York. She can go wherever she wants.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, and one more question. She's going to get like one of these sealed envelopes to come with, right?
Correct.
The address on the form there, that's where they will be sending her green card?
Correct.
Okay, and there's no way to change that address,
You know,
right?
after you get the visa appointment, you're gonna go. They're gonna go online and pay.
It's like $185,
$175. You can
to get
change
the
the address there and say where you want the green card mailed to you.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
All right. I think she didn't want the father to get the green card. That's what it sounded like to me. All right, Francis, you got 30 seconds. Quickly.
Hello?
Hello.
Yes, Francis, hurry up. That three ball calls to squeeze it.
My name is Francis. I would like to thank your law firm for a job well done. Camilla Warlord or something like that.
Warrant.
She helped me take care of my tax issues. I was owing the state $10,000, the federal almost $10,000, but I only paid them $100 each.
$100 each.
I'm
She took
telling you, I
20,000
am
into 200
so
bucks. It's
happy.
crazy. That's crazy.
I mean, I don't know what I can do without you guys.
Well,
that
thank you.
woman did a good job.
Thank you very much.
I'll tell you what you can do.
Yes, tell me.
You can go to Google, type in Spar and Bernstein, and when the company comes up on the right hand side, you
Give
write
a good review.
give a 5-star review because you sound like a 5-star person.
Everybody should do that for us.
Let me tell you, if there is 10 stars, I'll give it to you guys.
Everybody-
You did a great job.
Everybody do us a favor right now. Go to Google Law Office of Spar and Bernstein, and give us a decent review if that's what
I will do
that's how you
that, and
feel.
I have another question.
Right, I'm going to run out of time, unfortunately, so hold on.
Okay.
All right, we got to do this, though.
The proceeding was informational only and not specific legal advice. Consult an attorney about your individual situation. Prior results do not guarantee a similar outcome in the future. To make an appointment with the Spar and Bernstein Law Firm located at 225 Broadway in New York City, call 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-529-5465. Easily remembered, 1-800-LAWLINK. That's 1-800-LawLink. Once again, make a call to 1-800-529-5465. And, of course, link up with the law offices of Spar and Bernstein located at 225 Broadway on the 5th floor. If I were you out there, make the call, make the link, make the connection, make it Spar and Bernstein. 1-800-LawLink. That's 1-800-529-5465.
I did not stop those.
y no te deja quieta, nena. ¿Quién puede parar eso que al bailante